It's a great way to get some fresh new ideas and creativity instilled into our project.
It's just a perfect transition from school to the real world.
It's an opportunity for our students to network with potential employers.
Doing this gave me the opportunity to really investigate whether I had something.
It's a great opportunity to show companies what you're made of.
It's rewarding and it's really cool.
It's a fabulous way for students to get their head around a very real-world problem.
It's happening every day here at SAIT Polytechnic. It's applied research and innovation. So what is applied research? It's taking an idea and making it reality. It's creativity put into action, designing a new process, developing a prototype, testing a new technology. It's listening to the challenges faced by industry and entrepreneurs and addressing those needs through research and development. And each and every day it's something our students are doing here at SAIT. Developing these new ideas is no walk in the park. Students typically spend a whole term or 4 months working on applied research projects as part of their final project coursework. Students work in dynamic teams, just as they will in the workforce, and they do it with top-notch mentoring from our faculty, our subject matter experts, and our industry partners. Each and every year, SAIT students are making a big difference by putting their innovative ideas into action. Let's take a look at some of past year's big projects.
The SAIT students focused on Brentwood Station, where we are here, and they looked at various ways of generating power for lighting the station.
Dealing with a real-world client is a really unique opportunity that you won't find in too many post-secondary courses. We actually get to talk to somebody who is in the industry, who knows the demands that need to be met.
This project has given me a lot of confidence in my skills, both working with a team, working with a client.
Just the feedback and just the things that we got back from this was really helpful to help us out maybe later on in life and feel more confident with our work.
Working with the SAIT students opened up Calgary Transit to some fresh ideas.
It's been great.
Emmercore is a company that makes structural insulated panels, and we just basically designed an automated system to automate their assembly process into the presses, saving them both with time and labor costs.
It's been a fantastic experience for both us as a company and the students.
It was a really great opportunity. It's a chance to actually get out and meet industry contacts and try something new without having to start at the bottom within industry.
Over the past 3 years, we've actually hired 3 of our students to continue on with the initial project that they've started.
I'm actually a former graduate out of the AS&T program here. It's where I met my current employer, Emmercore. We spent our 4 months doing a project for them, and they turned around and hired a bunch of us on.
In the end, it was a really good experience. We got a finished product working, and I'm sure Emmercore will be happy with the results.
The benefit of the final project course is it allows our students to pull together everything they learn in all their other courses to see the real relevance of the technology in the real world as it affects real people.
As you learn the key concepts in your class, you actually would work with them in real industry with your client, and this would really reinforce all the concepts we were trying to learn in class. We worked with Aquila Exploration to create a GIS that actually highlights hazardous terrain.
Because they're not in the industry, they come up with really novel solutions to the problems that people that are entrenched in the industry and coming up with the same solutions over and over.
I'm really happy that there is an applied research program available for me. I feel like everything I'm learning here is really applicable. I know that when I go out into the real world, I'll be using these skills for something that is needed in the industry.
Our project was to design a building for a specific lot in East Village.
It was an exciting opportunity to work hand in hand with the industry.
We see the engagement from the students. They're more willing to participate, they tend to put in more effort.
I think it's a great opportunity to realize the application of everything we've been learning in something that's real. I find that you have more credibility when you apply for a job because they know that you've worked on something in the real world.
Yeah, it's certainly satisfying to come back and see SAIT students. You know, I was a grad from 1992 and now I'm here building East Village in Calgary, and to actually invite SAIT back into the building and the work that I'm doing and help somebody else have a future career start. There's a lot of great ideas that were shown to us today that I'm really looking forward to testing further.
It was very rewarding to be in a program with the final project course.
So how does it all happen? Well, industry presents a challenge or a need, and SAIT's innovative students address it. To help, there's a department on campus that works to make sure students have everything they need to do their innovative projects. Applied Research and Innovation Services is the hub that connects SAIT students to industry partners.
Our office is here on campus to ensure that our students and their industry partners have the resources that they need to advance and ultimately implement or commercialize their innovative ideas. When companies contact our department, I connect them with our skilled students and the facilities and funding they need to support their applied research partnerships with SAIT. We're here on campus to help our students and alumni develop their innovative and entrepreneurial ideas and help companies address their business challenges.
It's all happening right here at SAIT's world-class teaching, learning, and research facilities. We're uniting the needs of industry with the knowledge and skills of our faculty and students to bring innovations closer to market.
Applied research gives students the chance to work on real-world challenges that impact the communities they live in and the industries they work with.
It's also invaluable to organizations, lining you up with highly qualified and skilled personnel, world-class facilities, and even your employees of tomorrow. You can be on the cutting edge of the future today. Applied research and innovation at SAIT, enhancing student learning, addressing industry needs.
To learn more about how to get involved in applied research at SAIT, contact Applied Research and Innovation Services today.